Are you a teacher looking to share knowledge beyond the classroom? Or a student eager to teach what you've mastered? Imagine creating impactful video content without ever showing your face. This guide reveals how faceless YouTube channels are transforming online education and how you can join this booming trend. A faceless YouTube channel creates content without revealing the creator's identity. This means no on-camera appearances and sometimes even no personal voiceover. Despite this anonymity, many such channels achieve millions of views and significant success. The focus shifts entirely to the content itself. Viewers are drawn to valuable information, engaging visuals, and clear explanations. This trend proves that substance truly matters more than the face behind the screen. Creating a faceless channel offers unique advantages. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to maintain, requiring less personal preparation. You can focus purely on content creation. Secondly, you save on heavy investments like professional cameras, lighting, and complex setups. Simple tools are often all you need to get started. Thirdly, it eliminates camera shyness, allowing you to express ideas freely. Finally, you can avoid unwanted attention from personal circles. This privacy allows you to experiment and grow your channel without external pressure. It's a liberating way to share your expertise. Many types of faceless channels thrive, especially those focused on education and skill building. These are perfect for teachers and students. How-to guides are always in demand. Whether it's mastering a new software, solving a complex math problem, or explaining a scientific concept, tutorial channels excel. You can record your screen, add clear narration, and guide viewers step by step. Everyone seeks ways to be more efficient. Videos on study techniques, time management, or organizational tips are highly popular. Share your best strategies for learning and working smarter. If you're fluent in another language, teach it. Create bite-sized lessons on vocabulary, grammar, or pronunciation. Visual aids and clear audio are key to helping learners grasp new concepts. Visually captivating science experiments can educate and entertain. Focus on the experiment itself, with clear demonstrations and explanations. This format is perfect for engaging young minds or illustrating complex principles. Bring history to life through compelling narratives. Explore ancient civilizations, significant events, or historical figures. Use maps, archival images, and engaging voiceovers to transport your audience through time. Starting your faceless channel is simpler than you think. Text-to-video tools can transform your script into a video with AI voices and visuals. This is a quick way to get started. For tutorials or gaming, screen recording software is essential. Tools like OBS Studio allow you to capture your screen with ease. For more advanced visuals, animation software can bring your ideas to life. The core of any successful YouTube channel, faceless or not, is consistent, quality content. Always create original scripts and avoid copying others. Strive to use original visuals or minimize reliance on generic stock footage. If using AI voices, choose high-quality options that sound natural and engaging. A robotic voice can detract from your message. Focus on delivering value and clarity to your audience. Ready to share your knowledge and passion with the world on your own terms? The potential of faceless YouTube channels is immense for educators and learners alike. Don't let the idea of being on camera hold you back from making an impact. Begin by choosing an idea that excites you and aligns with your expertise. Experiment with different creation methods and focus on delivering clear, valuable content. Subscribe to our channel for more tips, like this video, and share your own faceless channel ideas in the comments below.